Hello, how are you? Today I'm opening a box that arrived kind of as a surprise at my doorstep. It is a Love with Food tasting box, and I did get this in the past, but I did cancel it. I do like it. It's $7.99 a month, and you get like healthy snacks, and you get to discover new things that you might not have normally tried, and then you can go and purchase it online for a cheaper price. And every time you get one of these boxes, they donate food to kids in need, so that is awesome. But I do have a referral link, and someone signed up through that link, so I got a free box. So I will leave that link below if you guys are interested. You save 40%, and apparently I get a box. I'm not sure if a few of you have to sign up before you get a box or what, but I did receive this in the mail before that. And I am happy because I did like this subscription. I just, wanted to try new things out, and some of the items in here I couldn't eat because they had like meat or fish in them or something like that, but anyways, let's see what's inside and see if there's anything I can eat, because I am hungry. It's about lunchtime, but I'm a little too lazy to cook, so if there's a healthy snack in here I can have, that would be great. So this is what the box looks like. It says Love with Food, Snack Smart Do Good, and it's curated by Snack Nation. And they have other options available on their website if you want to check it out. They have a deluxe box, which is a little bit more. This is like around $7 a month. I think the gluten-free and deluxe boxes are like $10 or a little more than $10 a month, so they're all pretty affordable. So this is what it looks like when you open the box, and on top it does say, "Thank you, you are awesome. This box helped the fight against world hunger." So that's really nice to know that the boxes or your purchases are going and helping others in need. So it says at Love with Food by Snack Nation, we're on a mission to inspire more conscious food decisions. We do that by connecting you with delicious, healthier foods you love. Help us tailor your experience by sharing your valuable feedback and earn 15 points for every review you get. So I guess you can log into their website after you open your box and try your goodies. Oh my god, looks like there's a lot of goodies in here too. Look how packed it is. Oops. But when you review them, you get points, and I think those points probably add up to getting some free snacks or a free box. So that is cool. And then let's see what's in here. The first thing that it fell out, and this looks very good. It's called Awake Milk Chocolate Bite, and it has caffeine in it. No way. One bite is a half cup of Joe. Oh my god. You guys, I cannot get enough caffeine. Is that focusing? It's super cute. So yeah, 50 milligrams of caffeine per piece. 4 pieces per day maximum. Be nice if that was possible for me to, if I have chocolate in the house, that stuff is gone. So there's 2 of them in here. So if I have both, it's like having a cup of coffee. Okay. All right, the next thing I see is 4th and Heart G Butter original recipe, and this is made from, or comes from grass-fed cows, I'm assuming, and is lactose free. I've never had G before. So what does it say on here? It's like, it's a type of butter. I know, I think it comes from India originally. Pure spreadable butter. It's natural sources of omega fatty acids, butyric acid, vitamin K, medium, and short chain triglycerides. It is certified paleo, kosher, dairy free, or kosher dairy. Okay. Sorry, I'm like, I don't know what I'm reading right now. Okay, the calories. Where's that? 45 calories. I'm excited to try this. Have you guys tried this before? I don't know. Interesting. So there's a lot of stuff in this one. Oh my god, there's something I see. I'm just gonna pull this out because I am gonna eat this right after this video. I love jalapeno chips. This is the Kettle brand potato chips, jalapeno. This is a little spicy. This whole bag is 150 calories. It is non-GMO, verified, gluten-free, no preservatives, 0 grams trans fat, all good. Oh my god, I love jalapeno chips. I'm so excited. Yum. This is making me more hungry right now. All right, next thing up, Sunripe Fruit to Go. This is a apple strawberry flavored fruit bar. It's vegan, nut-free, gluten-free. Calories are 50. Awesome. That is what it looks like. So just like a fruit bar, fruit to go. Cool. All right, next up is a protein bar by Tone It Up. It's a plant-based protein bar in the flavor peanut butter chocolate. Yum. That is what the packaging looks like. And Tone It Up, it says, was made to help women lead their healthiest, happiest, and most confident lives. After meeting at the gym and becoming friends over coffee and yoga dates, we had an overwhelming feeling that we could build something amazing together. Through friendship, support, and accountability, the Tone It Up community inspires millions of women to achieve their goals and become the best versions of themselves. The Tone It Up lifestyle makes fitness and nutrition fun and easy for women everywhere. Awesome, I love women-owned brands. 170 calories if you're curious. This sounds really good. So again, that is what that protein bar is. Looks like there's another type of bar here. This is the Best Bar Ever brand, real food bar and chocolate peanut butter. Yeah, I'm glad we're getting a lot of this flavor. I love it. It says this is a good source of protein, has real ingredients and no artificial sweeteners. That is the packaging there. And calories 170, and it has 10 grams of protein. Let's see what this other one has. Okay, so they both have 10 grams of protein each. Alright, next I see Home Cooked Salted Virginia Peanuts by Hubbard Peanut Company. Single serving power pack. And this is just made of peanuts and vegetable oil and salt. And calories 160. Yum. I love having nuts as a snack when I'm trying to eat healthy. Alright, and I think this is the last food item in here. This is ZZ's Strawberry Grams whole grain. And let's see. So this, and a portion of this, proceeds from this will go to help families in need. That's nice. Calories 120. So I think these are like animal crackers, but more like funny looking animal. And that's what it looks like on the back. Oh, cool. And then there's just some paper. I'm guessing this is just kind of advertising. Wander Beauty is in here. What? It says save 20% at Wander Beauty with code LWF12. I love Wander Beauty, and I actually have those baggage claim eye gels that she has on. Or not gels, eye strips. So yeah, if you guys want to shop Wander Beauty, you probably, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been talking about it. What's on the back here? I've heard good things about their face oil from Jessica Braun. So that sounds good, that's on there. So this is an interesting thing and pretty awesome. 20% off Wander Beauty, expires 2/15/19. So yeah, if you guys are watching this and like Wander Beauty, want to try it out, there you go. And then there's some 15% off codes for Celtic & Co., which is specializing in natural fibers. I don't know, but there's that. And then there's 20% off site-wide at Keurig.com. I have a Keurig and I love it. I love K-Cups. I find it so convenient. But yeah, that is everything. Let's count how many items came here. It seems like a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 snacks. So I think that's good. So you pay what, like $7.99 or $7 and you get 9 items, and you know, like just getting a chips at the gas station, this is at least $1 or like, you know, a couple dollars. So, and the protein bars are more than $1. So yeah, you definitely get your value worth out of this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go chow on some chips. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. So as you can probably tell, I looked a little bit different. I pre-filmed this video that you just were watching a few days ago, and I wasn't sure what advent calendar day it would be or what day I was posting it pretty much. So today is the 22nd, so I'm just gonna hop on camera really quick and open up my advent calendar. So this thing is getting so light. There's only a couple days remaining, 3 remaining. So today's the 22nd, and this is the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. So it's full of goodies from L'Occitane. Every day there's something new. So here is what the box for 22, the 22nd looks like. And awesome, we got another item from their Aqua line. This is the L'Occitane Aqua Gel. This is the Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel. And it is around that time of year that we all could use a little extra quenching and moisturization on our faces. So I am very excited to try this out. Look how blue it is. See if there's a scent. And this is a pretty good sample size to get a feel of whether or not you like it or not. There is a safety seal on this. It smells really good. It smells like what you would think an aqua scent would be, but it's not like overwhelming. That's what I love about their products. They smell really good, but they're not like too much, you know? But anyways, that wraps up today's video. I hope you are having an amazing day and spending the holidays with your family. Hopefully you at least get a day off work wherever you are. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope you're having a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.